What's up, everybody? Good here. Got some exciting news. I recently just bought some new camera equipment. Lens right here. It's gonna be great for shooting at in the dark. I'm gonna be shooting some nighttime scenes with these, and can't wait to see the results on those. A gimbal, the Roxant. I'm gonna call it Roxant gimbal here. This will help me make some buttery smooth footage that I cannot wait to also use. I'm gonna be shooting around Saturday, and I'll see what I can do about uploading that video as fast as I can. Also got some brand new books in. It's How to Draw a Book from Scott Robinson. My plan is to get through this in an entire year. Well, hopefully it takes me a lot quicker to get through this. It's a pretty thick book. It's a really long read, and there's a lot of math that's involved in it. And if you're like me, or like most people who draw, who are not very good at math, but good at drawing, this will make you wish that you try harder to math. Animator Survival Kit. This is also another great book. I went to school for animation, and I did what I could, and I graduated. Right now I'm just trying to get better overall when it comes to color theory, perspective, and just using Photoshop. So if I become a beast at Photoshop, this is the next step. I'm guys gonna show you how I get through my drawing process. It's a video that I've been meaning to like put out for a while, and I'm just gonna do something small and basic, something, you know, a little something. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I go through a sketch in Photoshop and how I take it from sketchbook to something a little bit more polished. Raise your hand, as in hand, I mean comment, if you ever have this problem where you're drawing traditionally or painting traditionally and you make a mistake and your left hand's automatically saying Control Z, where you need to just use an eraser. I just want to know, because I feel like maybe a handful of people do this, or I don't know. I am curious to know how many people out there who hit Control Z in real life. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys hit Control Z when you guys are painting or drawing. The reason why I even got a camera in the first place is so I can take pictures of environments and people and things. Load up that visual library that people talk about when they're working, or people who already been working in movies. You want to get good at something like painting or, you know, drawing a human figure, you gotta load yourself up with those visual libraries. Also, when it comes to making things look realistic, you need photo textures. It'd be great if you got a decent camera. I used Google for the longest to get my reference materials, and I got burnt bad, where I got some type of malware or some type of adware. It wrecked my month. Erase everything on my hard drive, start all over again from scratch, re-download my programs, try to pick up where I left off, and that was no bueno. If you ever want to do animation or maybe tell a story, it'd be great. It'd be great if you practice it through a camera and try to play it out from there. Especially with animation, a lot of times people don't know how to animate a character in a certain way, so a lot of people just record themselves in many different various ways so they can get that feeling just right, just to make it look good. That. Also, I thought it'd be fun to make YouTube videos. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't do stuff like this, but I'm actually enjoying the process of making videos and trying to make them better and better in each upload. Right now I'm testing out a new mic. I will leave my stuff in the description below on what I'm using currently. So if you ever feel like getting into making videos or recording stuff, the link is all below. I'm all about balling on a budget. Like, I have no shame going to Ross. No shame. I will bring you into Photoshop and show you what I've been working on. I'll show you how I can just take a fun, derpy looking sketch, and maybe some of the things in this video will help you out and, I don't know, answer a couple questions that you had on your own.